Hey friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manually set up a wireless network Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So all you have to do, click the Windows key on your keyboard and simply type in control panel, and you want to go ahead and open up the control panel. Now, just in case your control panel view does not look like this, it might look something like a category view, or it may be look small view, which is also fine. But in case you have a category view, you can just simply go ahead and change the category, and you will have those large icons that you can easily see what you're looking for. Now, once you're here, you simply want to click on the network and sharing center. From here, you want to click on the option here under where it says change your networking settings. You want to simply click on set up a new connection or network. And from here, select manually connect to a wireless network. Then click on next. From here, you want to write the name of the network. So let me just name this one Drew Wi-Fi, something like that. And the security type is going to base on what you want to choose. So in my case, I'm going to select the WPA2 personal. Now from here, if you have a security key, you want to go ahead and enter that. As you hover over it, you can see the instruction of what their security key should be like. In my case, I'm going to simply type in that, right? But your security key can be different in many ways, right? Can be much more complex. Now, once you're finished, you can choose if you want to hide it or leave it open. I would suggest hide it. Now, all you have to do, just simply select the second option here that says connect even if the network is not broadcasting, so that you can always connect. And all you have to do now, just simply click on next, proceed with your addition, complete the manual addition, and from here you can easily go ahead and connect to that network afterwards once you're finished. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.